Hello student, now we'll start the chapter number 5, integration. I had also started the chapter number 3, differentiation, and I will take the lectures on differentiation as well as integration so that you can distinguish between the differentiation and the integration. In the science faculty also, I had started the lectures on differentiation as well as integration. जे काही विद्यार्थी असतील सायन्सचे ते देखील हे इंटिग्रेशन आधी बघतील कारण की या इंटिग्रेशनची डिफिकल्टी लेवल ही कमी आहे ॲज कम्पॅरेटिव्ह सायन्स. ओके, म्हणून सायन्सचे विद्यार्थी कॉमर्सचे देखील हे लेक्चर्स बघतील आणि नंतर मग तिकडे जातील किंवा कॉमर्सचे जे काही टॅलेंट विद्यार्थी असतील ते सायन्सचे देखील माझे लेक्चर्स बघू शकतात. ओके, नाव विल स्टार्ट दी फर्स्ट लेक्चर ऑन दी इंटिग्रेशन. Now, in this chapter, you will learn method of substitution, some special integrals, integration by parts, and integration by partial fraction. Okay. There are some integrals which are not in the standard position, which is not in the standard form, and that's why we required the method of substitution. I will explain in a very detail how the method of substitution applied for the particular integral or what is the substitution, okay, to get the integral in a standard form. Okay, now let us start. Let's recall. First is a introduction. In this chapter we shall study the operation which is an inverse process of differentiation. We now want to study the problem. The derivative of function is given and we have to determine the function. म्हणजे काय की मला डेरिव्हेटिव्ह दिलेला आहे, एक डेरिव्हेटिव्ह दिलेला आहे. द डेरिव्हेटिव्ह हा एक दिलेला आहे, इट इज अ cos x. ओके, आय हॅड गिवन द डेरिव्हेटिव्ह, तो काय तर तो cos x आहे. Then I will ask the question, which is the function whose derivative is a cos x? Whose derivative is a cos x? Yes, I will say that the derivative of sin x is cos x. Okay, what is, I had given the function cos x. This is the derivative of which function? The derivative of sin x is a cos x. Okay, sin x चा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह cos, म्हणून cos x चे इंटिग्रल किती? sin. Okay, this is integral. This is integral. And suppose that if we go from sin to cos, and then it is called the differentiation. Okay, म्हणून या दोन्ही प्रोसेस कशा आहेत एकमेकांच्या विरुद्ध आहेत. The derivative of sin x is cos x. Simultaneously, the integral of cos x is a sin x. Okay, तर म्हणून जे काही स्टँडर्ड फंक्शन्स आहेत आणि जे डेरिव्हेटिव्ह आहेत त्यांचे इंटिग्रल्स आपल्याला लगेच मिळतात. I will show that list of that functions. Okay, we now want to study the problem. What is that problem? The derivative of a function is given and we want to determine that function. The process of determining such a function is called integration. आणि त्यालाच काय म्हणतात तर integration. For example, here cos x is the derivative of one function. Then what was that function? That is nothing but the sin x. And hence the integral of cos x is the sin x. Okay. Now next, consider the following examples. Suppose we want to determine a function whose derivative is a 3x square. म्हणजे काय की 3x square कोणाचा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह आहे. Okay, then I will write ddx of x cube, that is a 3x cube, and hence integral of 3x square is x cube, and therefore the required function is f of x, which is the x cube. ओके, मला काय दिलेलं आहे की एक्स क्यूब इज अ डेरिव्हेटिव्ह ऑफ सम फंक्शन. विच इज दॅट फंक्शन? दिस function f of x is equals to x cube. Its a derivative is a 3x cube. Okay. Next, and hence x cube is called the integral of 3x square with respect to x. And it is written as integral 3x square into dx is equals to x cube. What is this symbol? This symbol is called the integration sign, was introduced by Leibniz. Dx indicates that the integration is to be taken with respect to the variable x. Suppose here is a dx. Okay. Then the variable is x. Suppose here is a dy. The variable is a y. Suppose it is a dt. The variable is a t. Okay. Therefore, the dx indicates the integration is to be taken with respect to the variable x. Okay. Now, next. Again, one more example. Suppose we want to determine a function whose derivative is 1 upon x. म्हणजे असा कुठला फंक्शन आहे की त्याचा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह 1 upon x. That is, which is the function whose derivative is 1 upon x. Then I will remember that there was the one function I had studied in the derivative. What is that? The derivative of log of x is 1 upon x, and hence integral of 1 upon x is a log x in this way. Okay. Suppose that I had the, again I will write here, this is the log x. If I go here, it's a derivative. Okay. This is the derivative. What is the derivative of log of x? Is 1 upon x. And hence, this is the arrow. And hence integral of 1 upon x is a log x. Okay. हे ज्याला समजलं त्याला डेरिव्हेटिव्ह इंटिग्रेशन मधला फरक लगेच समजेल. For that, you must know the list of formulas also. Okay. Now, next definition. Integral. Integralला second word काय तर primitive. Integral or the primitive or the antiderivative of a function. Okay. These are the similar words. Integral, primitive, antiderivative. If f of x and g of x are two functions such that ddx of f of x is equals to g of x. f of x चा derivative काय? तर g of x. And hence, integral of g of x is f of x. Then, f of x is an integral of g of x with respect to x. It is denoted by integral of g of x is f of x and read as integral of g of x with respect to x is f of x. Here, we say that g of x is an integrand. ज्याचं इंटिग्रल मला काढायचं आहे and this is called the integrand. Next, this process of finding the integral of a function is called integration. Thus, the integration is inverse operation of differentiation. Okay, for example, ddx of x raised to 4 is equals to 4x cube. मी पुन्हा मला प्रश्न विचारणार की 4x cube हा कोणाचा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह आहे? This is the derivative of x raised to 4 and hence integral of x raised to 4, integral of 4x cube is x raised to 4 in this way. Okay. Now see this here. Again, one more thing. But note that here, if I find out the derivative of x raised to 4 plus 5, then I will get 4x cube. मम्मी काय म्हणणार पुन्हा? What is the integral of 4x cube? Integral of 4x cube is a x raised to 4 plus 5. Again, the ddx of x raised to 4 minus 8 is 4x cube. And the integral of 4x cube is x raised to 4 minus 8. You will say that here x raised to 4 plus 5. How it is? Here x raised to 4 minus 8. Yes. Both of them have the different constant. Okay. What is the observation? Can you generalize from the observation? In general, ddx of x raised to 4 plus c is always 4x cube. You take c as any real number. And hence the integral of 4x cube is a x raised to 4 plus c, where c is any real number. And hence, in general, we write integral of, समजा इथे c असेल, इथे एखादा कॉन्स्टंट असेल, सपोज नसला तर काही प्रॉब्लेम नाही, but suppose is there is a constant. And hence, in general, we write integral of 4x cube into dx is equals to x raised to 4 plus c, where the number c is called constant of integration. आणि हे प्रत्येकदा आपण असं लिहित असतो, ते इंटिग्रेशन झाल्यानंतर प्लस सी करत असतो का की तिथे एखादा कॉन्स्टंट असेल. ओके, and therefore it's a derivative of 0, and hence that constant is present there in the form of c. We don't know that constant particularly. There may be the 100, 200, 7, 99, etc. And therefore we write here about him as a c. Okay. Next, note this. From the above discussion, it is clear that integration is inverse operation of differentiation. Hence, integral is also called antiderivative. Integral of f of x dx, that is f of x is integrand and x is the variable of integration. I is used to denote an integral. Integral, सर्व integral denote करण्यासाठी I हे अक्षर वापरलं जातं. Integration start with I, and that's why it is I. Okay. Now the next. See this. This is very, very important list of formula. Okay. List. Derivative of x raised to n is equals to n into x raised to n minus 1. Derivative of x raised to n is n into x raised to n minus 1. And hence, integral of x raised to n into dx is equals to x raised to n plus 1 upon n plus 1. तो म्हणाल की याचं इंटिग्रल काय, n into x raised to n minus 1 चे इंटिग्रल काय, तर x raised to n. मग हा n कुठे गेला? Okay. Now see this here. If I find out the integral of this x raised to n, it is a n plus 1 upon n plus 1. For example, integral of, I want to find out the integral of x raised to 5 dx. What is that integral? 5 plus 1, x raised to 5 plus 1 upon 5 plus 1 plus c, and hence it is x raised to 6 upon 6 plus c. म्हणजे काय आहे त्या पॉवर मध्ये एक ऍड करायचा आणि मिळून आलेलं हे खाली लिहायचं. And hence the integral of x raised to n into dx is x raised to n plus 1 upon n plus 1 and plus c. Okay, and in this way. Now the next, one more result. प्रत्येकदा आपल्याला x असेलच असं काही नाही. Sometimes there may be the expression like this. Okay, ddx of ax plus b bracket is to n plus 1 upon n plus 1 into a is ax plus b bracket is to n. Yeah. Okay, ddx of ax plus b bracket is to n plus 1 upon n plus 1 into a is ax plus b bracket is to n. And hence the integral of ax plus b bracket is to n is nothing but ax plus b bracket is to n plus 1 upon a in bracket n plus 1, where plus c, where n is not equals to minus 1. मग कशासाठी उपयोगात येणार आपल्याला? This will be helpful to find out the integral of this type of the functions. That in bracket 2x plus 5 and here bracket is to 7 into dx. To find out the integral of this, then what is answer? The answer is 2x plus 5, 7 plus 1 is 8 upon 8, which is the n plus 1. N plus 1 is sorted. Into coefficient of x. What is the coefficient of x? That is a 2 into 2. And here is a plus c. त्याच्याऐवजी मी प्रत्येकदा असं म्हणतो. Here we write the derivative of 2x plus 5. into derivative of 2x plus 5. What is the derivative of 2x plus 5? Is 2, or the coefficient of x, and hence its integral is a 2x plus 5 bracket raised to 8 upon 16 plus c, and we get the answer. And hence if the integral of x raised to n is a n plus 1 upon n plus 1, x raised to n plus 1 upon n plus 1, and the integral of, suppose the expression in this linear form, then its integral is a ax plus b bracket raised to n plus 1 upon n plus 1 into coefficient of x, or derivative of ax plus b into derivative of b is 0, derivative of x is 1, 1 into a is a. Okay, in this way. Next integral, that is again ddx of log of x is 1 upon x. Okay, then integral of 1 upon x is a log x plus c. म्हणून ज्यांना डेरिव्हेटिव्हची लिस्ट फॉर्म्युली सगळे माहिती आहेत स्टँडर्ड फंक्शनचे, त्यांना इंटिग्रेशन 100% जमणार आहे. ओके, and that's why I had started on my this channel uploading the simultaneously the lectures of differentiation as well as integration, so that you can distinguish between differentiation as well as integration. Now next, again the integral of 1 upon x is a log of x, log of mod of x plus c. But every time it is not always log of x. Sometimes it is a log of ax plus b, means log of 2x plus 3. Okay. Now the differentiation of the derivative of log of ax plus b is a 1 upon ax plus b into derivative of ax plus b. What is that derivative? Ax plus b is a derivative, b is a constant. It's a derivative 0. Derivative of x is 1. 1 into a is a. And hence we have a upon ax plus b. And that's why the integral of, what is that? Integral of 1 upon ax plus b into dx is equals to log of mod of ax plus b. तुम्हाला याचं इंटिग्रल हे येणार आपण. मग हा न्यूमरेटरचा a इकडे गेल्यानंतर कसा होणार, तो डिवाइड होणार. And that's why here 1 upon a log of mod of ax plus b. Okay, that's why integral of 1 upon ax plus b into dx is log of mod of ax plus b upon a plus c. For example, I will write here the one more example. Here is a 5x plus 9. I want to, sorry, 1 upon in bracket 5x plus 9. I want to find out its integral. Then what about its integral? Its integral is a log of mod of 5x plus 9, okay, upon derivative of 5x plus 9. Derivative of 9 is 0, 5x is 5, and here is a 5. Okay. Just like, or upon coefficient of x, which is the 5, and here is a plus c, in this way. Okay. Now the next formula, okay, that is a, here again I will repeat here, the integral of 1 upon x is a log of x plus c, and the integral of 1 upon ax plus b is a log of ax plus b upon a plus c. Next, derivative of a raised to x is a raised to x into log a. Then what about its integral? Integral of a raised to x is equals to a raised to x upon log a. मग तुम्ही म्हणाला हा कुठे गेला, हा मल्टिप्लाय, या बाजूला मल्टिप्लाय आहे, तो इकडे आल्यानंतर काय होणार, डिवाइड होणार. तो डेरिव्हेटिव्ह log of a, that is 1 upon log of a, and the integral of, then you will get the integral of a raised to x. Okay, and hence the integral of a raised to x is a raised to x upon log of a, and I can write here the integral of 5 raised to x. Okay, integral of 5 raised to x is 5 raised to x upon log of 5. Derivative काढताना आपण काय, what is that? ddx of 5 raised to x is equals to, काय असतो तो, 5 raised to x into log of 5. And suppose that I want to take the integral. Take integral on both sides. Yacha integral, yacha integral. Now integral and the differentiation get cancelled. You are getting 5 raised to x. And here integral of 5 raised to x into log of 5 into dx. हा log of 5 मला नको पाहिजे. तो इथे मल्टिप्लाय केल्यानंतर काय होणार? डिवाइड होणार. ओके. And hence 5 raised to x upon log of 5 is equals to integral of 5 raised to x into dx. Okay. See this here again, once again here. Derivative of 5 raised to x is a 5 raised to x into log a. Take the integral on both sides. Integration and differentiation. Both are opposite to each other. They cancel each other. And hence you are getting 5 raised to x. Integral 5 raised to x into log of x into dx. पण मला इंटिग्रल कोणाचं काढायचं? I want to find out the integral of 5 raised to x. हा log of 5 मला नको पाहिजे. It's a constant. Take that constant here. तो मल्टिप्लाइड आहे. तो या बाजूला नंतर काय होणार? डिवाइड होणार. And hence the integral of, I want to find out the integral of only 5 raised to x. Not multiplied log of 5. And hence the integral of a raised to x or the 5 raised to x is 5 raised to x upon log of 5. In a similar results, I want to show that the ddx of, see this here, ddx of a raised to x, derivative of a raised to x is a raised to x into log of a. And suppose that if I take the integral on both sides, this derivative and differentiation integrate get cancelled, and here you are getting a raised to x integral of a raised to x into log of a into dx. पण मला काय इंटिग्रल कोणाचं काढायचं आहे? a raised to x चं काढायचं. हा log of a नको पाहिजे. इट्स अ कॉन्स्टंट. तो मी ते बाहेर घेणार. ओके. तो इथे आला log of a integral of a raised to x into dx. मला फक्त a raised to x into dx पाहिजे. हा मल्टिप्लाइड आहे. तो इकडे अंदर काय होणार? तर डिवाइड होणार. And hence a raised to x upon log of a, and that's equals to integral of a raised to x into dx, and that is a plus c, you can write there. Okay, next, similarly integral of, that is a derivative of a raised to px plus q, that is a raised to px plus q into log of a into ddx of px plus q. Derivative of px is p, q is 0. I into the. Okay, now these are the two numbers, p into log of a. हे कसं होणार? मल्टिप्लाइड आहे. ते या बाजूला गेल्यानंतर कसं होणार? तर डिवाइड होणार. And hence the integral of a raised to px plus q into dx is equals to a raised to px plus q upon p into log of a plus c, where a is positive and a is not equals to 1. Okay. Next, derivative of e raised to x is e raised to x. हा log of p काय लिहायची गरज नाही. ddx of e raised to x, log of p is 1, because here is the base is e, log of p to the base is 1, and hence you remember always that ddx of e raised to x is a e raised to x, and hence integral of e raised to x is e raised to x plus c. सगळ्यात सिंपल फंक्शन. ddx of e raised to px plus q is equals to e raised to px plus q into ddx of px plus q. It's a composite, and hence the derivative of px plus q is a p. पुन्हा p इथे मल्टिप्लाइड आहे. तो या बाजूला नंतर कसं होणार? डिवाइड होणार. And hence the integral of e raised to px plus q into dx is equals to e raised to px plus q upon coefficient of x, or I will say that ddx of px plus q, which is p plus c, and hence the integral of e raised to x into dx is equals to e raised to x plus c, and the integral of e raised to px plus q into dx is equals to e raised to px plus q upon p plus c. Okay, म्हणून एक्सरसाइज स्टार्ट करण्यापूर्वी ही यादी तुम्ही 2-3 वेळा लक्षात ठेवा फॉर्म्युलांची. ओके, लिस्ट ऑफ दी फॉर्म्युलीज. ओके, नाउ दी नेक्स्ट काही रूल्स ऑफ इंटिग्रेशन आहे. इफ हे काही बोर्डाच्या परीक्षेला विचारले, परंतु तुम्हाला ते बेसिक माहिती पाहिजे. इफ f is a real valued integrable function of x and k is a constant, then integral of k into f of x dx is equals to k into integral of f of x dx. याचा अर्थ काय की मला 5 x स्क्वेअरचं इंटिग्रल फाइंड आउट करायचं आहे. मग काय करणार? मी 5 ला आधी बाहेर काढणार, and I will find out the integral of x square dx. What is that? 5. The integral of x square is x raised to 3 upon 3. Means what? X raised to 3 upon 3 in this way. Okay. म्हणून प्रत्येकदा डेरिव्हेटिव्हच्या बाबतीत पण आपण असंच केलं होतं. त्या फंक्शनचा integral काढणार इथे. Okay. Next, if there is a sum of the two functions, then find out the integral of separately f of x, integral of f of x plus integral of g of x. If there is a difference of the two functions, then find out the integral of first minus integral of the second in this way. Okay. आणि हा देखील रिझल्ट इम्पॉर्टंट आहे. Integral of f of x into dx is equals to f of x plus c. Then integral of f of ax plus b into dx is equals to capital F of ax plus b upon the coefficient of x, or the ddx of ax plus b, which is a plus c. Okay. हा देखील result important है. Now we'll start the solved examples. Okay. The first example. Now the solved example. Evaluate integral 7x minus 2 bracket square dx. Again we will use the formula. Integral ax plus b bracket is to n dx is equals to ax plus b bracket is to n plus 1 upon a into n plus 1 plus c. Okay. Similarly here 7x minus 2 bracket is to 2 plus 1 is 3 upon 2 plus 1 3 into coefficient of x, that is a 7, 21 plus c. Okay. This is the answer. Next example. Integral in square bracket in rounded bracket 11 minus t upon 3 bracket is to 7 plus 4t in next bracket 4t plus 5 bracket is to 4. Okay. Separate integral करणार, and the first integral 11 minus t upon 3 bracket is to 7 plus 3 upon 7 plus 1 into there is a minus 1 by 3. Now तो minus 1 by 3 multiplied and reciprocal होऊन numerator ला जाणार. Okay. And hence the next is a integral of 4t plus 5 bracket is to 4 dt. Its integral is a 4t plus 5 bracket is to 4 plus 1 upon 4 plus 1 into coefficient of t. Here is a 1 by 4. Here is also coefficient of t is a minus 1 by 3. Here is a if we write here minus 1 by 3, it will become multiply and reciprocal, that is a minus 3. Okay. Now next is a simple multiplication. What is here? Minus 3, 7 plus 1 8. Therefore it is a minus 3 by 8. In bracket 11 minus t upon 3 bracket is to 8 plus. Next 4 plus 1 5. 5 into 4 20. 1 upon 20 in bracket 4t plus 5 bracket is to 5 plus c, and hence this is the answer. Okay. पुन्हा तुम्ही बघू शकताय. Okay. Now the next. Evaluate the integral in bracket 1 upon 6x plus 5 bracket is to 4 minus 1 upon 8 minus 3x bracket is to 9. हे न्यूमरेटर आणल्यानंतर त्याच्या पावर्स कशा होतील तर मायनस. And hence integral in bracket 6x plus 5 bracket is to minus 4 dx minus integral 8 minus 3x bracket is to minus 9 dx. Now find out its integral. Integral find out करताना पुन्हा minus 4 plus 1 minus 3 upon minus 3 into 1 upon coefficient of x is 6. Here is a minus sign. 8 minus 3x bracket is to minus 9 plus 1 minus 8 upon minus 8 into 1 upon coefficient of x, which is a minus 3 plus c. Okay. Then evaluate this. What is this? Minus 3 into 6 minus 1 upon 18. E power minus 1 खाली अंतर कशा होणार थी plus. Next minus 3 minus 8 minus 3 24 minus n as it is 1 upon 24. पुन्हा ही power कशी तर minus आहे. Denominator नंतर ती power कशी होणार तर plus होणार and plus c, and hence this is the integral. Now the next. Evaluate integral dx upon root x plus root of x minus 2. प्रत्येकदा स्टँडर्ड फंक्शन मध्ये असेलच तो फंक्शन असं काय नाही. मग यासाठी काय अल्जेब्रिक ऑपरेशन्स आपल्याला करावे लागतात. Now here integral 1 upon root x plus root of x minus 2 into will multiply, rationalize this denominator, that is multiplied multiply n and d by the conjugate of this part, which is the root x minus in root of x minus 2. न्यूमेरेटरला डिनोमिनेटरला root x minus root of x minus 2 ने मल्टिप्लाय करायचं. दॅट इज अ कॉन्जुगेट ऑफ दिस. इथे प्लस साइन आहे म्हणून मायनस. सपोज हिअर मायनस राहिलं असतं तर आपण प्लस ने मल्टिप्लाय केलं असतं. नाउ नेक्स्ट 1 into in bracket root x minus root of x minus 2. What about here? A plus b, a minus b. Then you will get a square minus b square. Means what? Square of root x. Root x चा square किती? X. Root square of root of x minus 2 is x minus 2. हा bracket जर open केला, then what you will get? Plus x minus x get cancelled. Minus minus that will become plus. And overall you are getting 1 upon 2. In the next, in bracket root x minus root of x minus 2 dx. What is a root x? Root x means what? X raised to 1 upon 2 dx. And what about here? Integral x minus 2 raised to 1 upon 2 dx. Now find out its integral. X raised to 1 upon 2 means what? Integral of x raised to n into dx is x raised to n plus 1 upon n plus 1 plus c. Similarly, 1 upon 2 plus 1 means what? 3 by 2 upon 3 by 2 minus x minus 2 raised to 1 upon 2 plus 1 means what? 3 by 2 upon 3 by 2 plus c. नॉर्मल सिम्प्लिफिकेशन आहे. इथला 2 2 काय होणार तर कट होणार. 1 by 3 बाहेर येणार तो. ओके, इफ यू टेक 3 by 2 is common, 2 into 3 by 2, 2 2 get cancelled, and hence you are getting 1 by 3 x raised to 3 by 2 minus in bracket x minus 2 raised to 3 by 2 plus c. Now the next, evaluate integral in bracket x plus 1 upon x bracket raised to 3 into dx. मग या टाइपचे काय करणार इथे तर expansion करणार. What is that? A plus b bracket square. Now see this here. It's a expansion. Here is a, I will write here the expansion. A plus b bracket cube. A plus b bracket cube is equals to a cube plus 3 a square b plus 3 a b square plus b cube. Okay, in this way its expansion is x cube plus 3 into x into 1 upon x. 3 into x into 1 upon x. Suppose that if I expand this integral in bracket first term cube, it is a x cube plus 3 first term square means what? X square into second term, it is a 1 upon x plus 3 first term which is x square of the second term म्हणजे 1 upon x square, it is a 1 upon x square plus second term cube means 1 upon x raised to 3 into dx. आता हे simplification. First term is x cube. Okay, last term is 1 upon x cube. हे दोन्ही आपण जवळ दिले. What about here? X square upon x. X. Therefore 3 into x, you are getting 3x. 3x upon 1 upon x square. X get cancelled. You are getting 3 upon x dx. Okay. Now find out the integral. X raised to 3 is integral. X raised to 4 upon 4. What about the integral of 1 upon x cube? 1 upon x cube is integral. E power upon numerator लाना, it will become minus 3. Okay, into dx. मैं ऐसे इंटीग्रल किती x raised to minus 3 plus 1 means what? X raised to minus 2 upon minus 2. पुढे हीच power खाली आणणार आपण and that will become minus 2 x square, and hence integral of 1 upon x cube is minus 1 upon 2x square. Next, integral of 3x is a 3x square upon 2, and integral of 1 upon x is a log of mod of x into 3 plus c, and hence the answer. What is answer? X raised to 4 upon 4, हे term आधी लिहिला आपण, plus 3 log of mod of x minus 1 upon 2x square plus c, and this is the answer. Okay. Now the next, Evaluate integral 1 upon x square into in bracket 2x plus 1 bracket raised to 3 dx. Okay. Again the expansion of 2x plus 1 bracket cube. What is again that? First term cube means what? 2x raised to 3. 2x raised to 3 means what? 2 चा 1 cube करना means what? 8x cube plus 1 cube plus 3 into 2x square plus 1. Okay. You can have the expansion. पुन्हा मी दाखवतो तुम्हाला 2x bracket cube plus 3 2x square into 1 plus 3 2x into 1 square plus 1 cube. Okay. 2x cube means what? 8x cube. Next is a 3 into 2x bracket square. म्हणजे किती येणार ते? 4x square into 3. That is a 12x square. Next 3 into 2x 6x. 6x into 1. Overall 6x. And 1 cube there is a 1. Divided by x square. म्हणजे 8x cube upon x square. You are getting 8x. Next 1 upon x square. Here is a 1 upon x square. 12x square upon x square. You are getting the 12. 6x upon x square. You are getting the 6 upon x. Okay. Now find out the integral. Integral of 8x. Integral of 8x means what? 8x square upon 2. Means what? 4x square. Integral of the 12x. 12 is the 12x. Integral of 1 upon x. That is the log of x into this constant 6. Integral of 1 upon x square is a minus 1 upon x. How the integral of 1 upon x square is a minus 1 upon x? Take this power to the numerator. The power numerator आणणार into dx. Again the integral काढताना आपण याच्यात plus 1 करत असतो. Minus 2 plus 1. You are getting minus 1 upon minus 1 plus c. Again here is the 1 upon. The power पुन्हा plus करणार. That is 1 upon x. And hence the integral of 1 upon x square is a minus 1 upon x, which is here, plus c. Okay. Now the next example. Evaluate integral 5u in bracket x raised to 6 plus 1 upon x square plus 1 dx. Okay. Now this x raised to 6 plus 1 can be written as. Now see this one more formula. What is that formula? A cube plus b cube. A cube plus b cube means what? In first bracket a plus b. In second bracket a square minus ab plus b square. Okay. What about here? X raised to 6 plus 1 means what? X square bracket raised to 3. Next 1 cube. Now the expansion of this. In first bracket a plus b means what? X square plus 1. In second bracket first term square means what? X square and it's a square. It is a x raised to 4. Next a into b, that is first term into second term, means what? Minus x square. Next 1 square plus 1 and hence therefore the x square plus 1 in second bracket x square minus x raised to 4 minus x square plus 1. Again x square plus 1 get cancelled and hence you are getting 5u in bracket x raised to 4 minus x square plus 1. Keep this bracket as it. आता याचा इंटिग्रल सोपा आहे. Okay. Now here it's an integral. I will write here 5u. Okay. What is the integral of x raised to 4? X raised to 5u upon 5u. Now the integral of x square is minus x cube upon 3. Next integral of 1 is x. Okay. And plus c. Normal multiplication. 5 into x raised to 5 upon 5. 5 get cancelled. Hence you are getting x raised to 5. 5 into x cube upon 3 is a minus 5x cube upon 3. phi into x, this is a phi x plus c, and here's the integral. Okay, now the next, evaluate integral x cube in bracket 2 minus 3 upon x bracket square. आता expansion करना है. What is that expansion? A minus b bracket square. See this here. First term square, that is a 2 minus 3 upon x bracket square, that is equals to 2 square minus 2 into 2 3 upon x plus 3 by x, it's a square, 9 upon x square. Okay, 2 into 2 4. What is here? 4. 4 into 3 12, which is a 12 upon x plus 9 upon x square. And since you are getting 4 minus 12 upon x plus 9 upon x square dx, multiplied it with x cube, then you will get 4x cube. X cube into minus 12 upon x, x will get cancelled. You will get 12x square. Okay, x cube into 9 upon x square, again x square get cancelled. You will get 9x. Now the integral of 4x cube, that is integral of x cube. X cube से integral की देना x raised to 4 upon 4 into this 4. X square से integral x cube upon 3 into 12. 9 as it is. Integral of x is a x square upon 2 plus c. Here we are using this formula. Okay. Now this 4 get cancelled. 12 upon 3 is 4. 9 upon 2 into x square plus c, and this is the answer. Okay. So here. Now the next. Evaluate integral x cube plus 4x square minus 6x plus 5 upon x dx. Okay. A split up करना. That is, we will divide this x cube plus 4x square minus 6x plus 5 upon x square. Means what? Here x cube. Okay. X cube upon x integral of plus 4x square upon x minus 6x upon x plus 5 upon x bracket complete into dx. X cube upon x, you are getting x square. 4x square upon x, 4x. 6x upon x, that is a 6. 5 upon x, this is a 5 upon x dx. Now the integral of x square plus 4 integral of x dx. Next, minus 6 integral of dx. Next, 5 into integral of 1 upon x dx. And hence, the integral of x square is a x cube upon 3. Integral of x is a x square upon 2 into 4. Integral of dx is x, that is 6 into x. Integral of 1 upon x is the log of x plus c. Okay. And this is the answer. Next, evaluate integral e raised to a log of x plus e x into log of a dx. Now there is one more important formula. What is that formula? That is, suppose that first is about the log. Log of m into log of n, that is equals to log of n raised to m. This is important. Now next, e raised to log of x. Here is a base e, then its answer is x. E raised to log of x to the base e, the answer is x. Similarly here, integral e raised to log of x raised to a. आता इथे बघा a into log of x means what? Log of x raised to a to the base e. Okay, we are using here the formula m into log of n is equals to log of n raised to m. Means what here? Log of x raised to a. Okay, and here log of a raised to x. Now again here is a e and e, then you are getting x raised to a. there is a x raised to a. Next is a e raised to log of a raised to x to the base e. Both are the same. Then its answer is this a raised to x. This is the a raised to x. Now we have the two x raised to a. एक काय आपल्याला x raised to a and another is a raised to x. Now the integral of x raised to a means what? X raised to a plus 1 upon a plus 1. This is the first one. Next, integral of a raised to x. Integral of a raised to x is a raised to x upon log of a and plus c, and this is the answer. Now the next. Evaluate integral e raised to 1 minus phi t plus 1 upon phi t plus 1. Separate it. What is the integral of e raised to x? Integral of e raised to x is a e raised to x. That is e raised to in bracket 1 minus phi t upon derivative of 1 minus phi t, or that upon coefficient of this t, which is minus 1. Okay. And hence e raised to in bracket 1 minus phi t upon minus 5 plus. What about the integral of this? That is the integral of, it is like this, dx upon ax plus b. Its integral is 1 upon a log of mod of ax plus b plus c. Similarly here, log of mod of phi t plus 1 upon coefficient of t is 5 plus c, and hence the answer. Okay. Now the next question. If f dash of x is equals to 8x cube plus 3x square minus 10x minus k, and f of 0 is minus 3, f of minus 1 is a 0, find f of x. By the definition of integral, f of x is equals to integral f of x. Therefore, we will find out the integral of this. Integral of 8x cube means what? 8 into integral of x cube dx plus 3 integral of x square dx minus 10 integral of x dx minus k integral of dx. What is the integral of x cube? X raised to 4 upon 4. Integral of x square is x cube upon 3. Integral of x is x square upon 2. Integral of dx is x plus c. That is 8 x raised to 4 upon 4. You are getting 2x raised to 4. 3 get cancelled, x cube. 10 upon 2, 5x square minus kx plus c. Okay. Now we'll find out the value of k and c. आपल्याला पहिल्यांदा काय दिलंय की f of 0 is minus 3. Means what? Replace here x by 0. Okay. See this here. X by 0. F of 0 is equals to 2 into x raised to 4, means what? X is 0 plus x raised to 3 is 0 minus 5 into 0 minus k, x is 0 and plus c. But what about the f of 0 is minus 3. मग हे overall 0 0 होणार. Okay. And hence the value of c is minus 3. The value of c is minus 3 first. Next, f of minus 1. Okay. Now we'll find out the value of f of minus 1. See this here, f of minus 1. 2 x raised to minus 1 raised to 4 plus x cube means what? Minus 1 raised to 3 minus 5 minus 1 raised to 2 minus k into again minus 1 and plus c. Now we know the value of c, which is the minus 3. But what about the f of minus 1 ची value त्याने दिलेली आपल्याला. What is the f of minus 1? It is a 0. And therefore I will write here 0 first. 2 into minus 1 raised to 4. Overall, this is 2. Minus 1 raised to 3 means what? It is a minus 1. Minus 5 into minus 1 square means what? 1. Okay. It is a minus 5. Now here minus and minus, that become plus k. Okay. C, the value of C is a minus 3. Okay. And overall, this is the 0, 2, minus 1, 1, 1 minus 5, minus 4, minus 4 and minus 3, minus 7. Okay. Minus 7 plus k, and hence k is equals to 7. Okay. Okay. The value of the k is a 7. Now substitute the value of C, okay, which is the minus 3, and k, that is a 7. Hence, the required polynomial is f of x is equals to 2x raised to 4 plus x cube minus 5x square minus 7x minus 3 in this way. Okay. See this? The value of k is here 7. Substitute k is a 7, c is a minus 3 in this polynomial. Okay. Now the next question. Now we'll start the exercise 5.1. Okay. Evaluate the first is integral minus 2 upon in root of 5x minus 4 minus in root of 5x minus 2 into dx. Okay. Let here I is equals to, okay, integral minus 2 upon in root of 5x minus 4 minus in root of 5x minus 2. Now multiply numerator and the denominator by the conjugate of root of 5x minus 4 minus root of 5x minus 2. That is, we will multiply it with root of 5x minus 4 plus root of 5x minus 2, and this divided by root of 5x minus 4 plus root of 5x minus 2 bracket complete into dx. Now next, here take minus 2 as a common and then integral. Okay, here in bracket root of 5x minus 4 plus root of 5x minus 2 upon this whole divided by a minus b into a plus b. Therefore, you will get a square minus b square. It is 5x root of 5x minus 4 bracket square. It means you are getting 5x minus 4 in first bracket minus square of this root of 5x minus 2 bracket square, means in another bracket you will get 5x minus 2 into dx. Okay. Next simplification, minus 2 integral, okay, in square bracket root of 5x minus 4 plus root of 5x minus 2 bracket complete, and this whole divided by, open the bracket, that is plus 5x minus 5x will get cancelled, or I will write over one more steps, 5x minus 4 minus 5x and plus 2 into dx. This plus and minus get cancelled. Minus 4 plus 2, you will get minus 2. Okay. And then here, take this minus 2 here, minus 2 upon minus 2, and here minus 2. Okay. Integral. What is here? Root of 5x minus 4 means what? 5x minus 4 plus root of 5x minus 2 means what? 5x here raised to 1 upon 2. 5x minus 2 raised to 1 upon 2 bracket complete into dx. Minus 2 upon minus 2 and that will become plus. Okay. Now find out the integral. Integral of this is a 5x minus 4 raised to 1 upon 2 plus 1 means what? Raised to 3 by 2 is divided by 3 by 2 into again the coefficient of 5 x which is the 5. Next is a 5x minus 2 1 upon 2 plus 1 it is a 3 by 2 upon 3 by 2 into 5 plus c. Okay. Now the multiplied and reciprocal 15. 5 into 3 15 upon 2. 15 upon 2. Take 2 by 15 as a common. 5 into 3 is a 15 upon 2 and 15 upon 2. It will become multiplied and reciprocal. Means what? 2 upon 15. Take 2 upon 15 as a common. Okay. And then in bracket you will get 5x minus 4 raised to 3 by 2 plus 5x minus 2 raised to 3 by 2 bracket is completed plus c. Okay. Now this is the answer. I is equals to. Okay. Now here the answer. पुन्हा तुम्ही ते बघू शकताय. Okay. Rationalize the denominator multiplied with the plus minus 2 into this whole bracket upon a minus b into a plus b means what? A square म्हणजे याचा square 5x minus 4 root चा square means 5x minus 4. Again the square of root of 5x minus 4 means what? 5x minus 2. Open the bracket minus 5x plus 2 plus 5x minus 5x get cancelled. Minus 2 minus 4 plus 2 is minus 2. Again you are getting here 1. Now the integral of 5x minus 4 raised to 1 upon 2 raised to 3 by 2 upon 3 by 2 into coefficient of x is 5. Next multiplication किती येणार आहे? This multiplication 3 into 5 it is a 15 upon 2. तो multiplied and reciprocal होऊन काय येणार? 2 upon 15 याला इथे multiplied होणार 2 upon 15 2 upon 15. Take 2 upon 15 as a common and hence this is the answer. Now we'll take the पुन्हा तुम्ही बघू शकता एकदा. Okay. Now the next problem. Question number 2. Evaluate the integral. What is that integral? 1 plus x square upon 2 factorial. Okay. Integral in bracket 1 plus x square upon 2 factorial bracket complete into dx. Now we'll find out its integral. Integral of 1 dx plus integral of x dx plus integral of x square upon 2 factorial means what? 1 upon 2 factorial into integral of x square and dx. Okay. Now here integral of 1 dx is x. Integral of x is x square upon 2. X square upon 2. Integral of x square is x cube upon 3. First here 1 upon 2 factorial means 2 and x cube upon 3 plus c and hence the answer I is equals to x plus x square upon 2 plus x cube upon 6 plus c. Okay. and this is the answer. I is equals to, okay, x plus x square upon 2 plus x cube upon 6. Now the next problem. Next is evaluate the integral 3x cube minus 2 root x upon x dx. Okay. Now here I is equals to integral 3x cube minus 2 root x upon x into dx, and that's equals to integral, okay, in bracket 3 x cube upon x minus 2 upon root x upon x bracket complete into dx. Again you are getting integral 3x cube means what? 3x square root x upon x. X means what? Root x into root x. One root x will get cancelled, and hence you are getting, see this here. This is the root x upon x. Means what? Root x upon root x into root x. One will get cancelled. You will get 1 upon x raised to 1 upon 2. Okay. Then we will find out its integral. Its integral is easy. The integral of root x is a 2 times root x. Okay. Now see this here. Minus 2, okay, root x, and this is the 1 upon root x bracket complete into dx. Next, integral of, separate the integral 3x square into dx minus 2 integral of 1 upon root x dx. Okay, integral of 3x square is a 3x cube upon 3 minus 2. I will find out the integral of 1 upon root x. Root x means what? X raised to 1 upon 2. The numerator and its a power will become minus 1 upon 2 into dx. Again, 3 get cancelled. You will get x cube. Okay. Now the integral of x raised to minus 1 upon 2. X raised to minus 1 upon 2 plus 1 means what? X raised to 1 upon 2 minus 2 into x raised to 1 upon 2 upon 1 upon 2 and plus c. Okay. And here next, that is equals to x cube. Okay. X cube minus 2 into 1 upon 2. It will become multiplied and reciprocal. That is a 2 into 2. I will write here one more steps. 2 into 2. X raised to 1 upon 2 means what? Root x and plus c. And hence, what is the answer? The answer is, this is the I. Okay. I is equals to x cube. Okay. 2 into 2, 4 minus 4 root x plus c. Okay. And therefore, I is equals to x raised to 3 minus 4 root x plus c. This is the answer. Okay. And hence the integral of 1 upon root x is 2 times root x. Okay. Here was the question. What is the answer? Integral of, I will write here one more direct formula. That is integral of dx upon root x is 2 root x. 2 root x plus c. Similarly here, integral of 1 upon root x is a 2 root x. Means what? 2 into 2, 4. 4 root x plus c. Okay. म्हणून हा फॉर्म्युला तुम्ही लक्षात ठेवा. इंटिग्रल dx upon root x is a 2 root x direct. Okay. Now the next problem. Next integral I is equals to integral in bracket 3x square minus 5 bracket square into dx. Okay. Now the expansion of 3x square minus 5 bracket square means what? First term square. Then what is the first term? 3x square. I will write here 3x square and it's a bracket square minus 2 into first term square, it is a 3x square into second term, which is the 5, plus second term square means what? 5 square, that is 25 bracket complete into dx. Okay. Now the next integral. Okay. In bracket 3x square and bracket square means what? 9 x raised to 4 पुढचं multiplication 3 into 2 6 into 5, that is 30 x square. Next is a plus 25 bracket complete into dx. Now the integral, that is a 9 x raised to 5 upon 5. This is the first one. Next is a minus 30x square means what? Minus 30 x raised to 3 upon 3. 25, integral of 25 is a 25x plus c, and hence the answer I is equals to 9 upon 5 x raised to 5, 30 upon 3, that is a 10 x cube plus 25 x and plus c. Okay. Now this is the answer. Okay. Easy question. Now the next problem. Expand करना तुम्ही normal life. Now the next integral I is equals to integral 1 upon x into in bracket x minus 1 dx. कधी कधी काय आपल्याला ऍडजस्टमेंट करायची असते, हे पार्शियल फ्रॅक्शन मध्ये जातं, थर्ड टाइप ऑफ द इंटिग्रेशन. But now see this here, my adjustment. What is the adjustment? I am writing here to the numerator. Numerator ला किती तर x आहे. I am writing here plus x. त्याला बॅलन्स करण्यासाठी मी मायनस x आणि आपला हा प्लस 1. Adjust here plus 1 minus, sorry, plus x and minus x, and this plus 1 is as it is. Next, this divided by x into x minus 1 bracket complete, okay, into dx. Next, integral. Okay, I will again write in this form. See this here, x, take minus 1 as a common, then in bracket you will get x minus 1 bracket complete upon x into x minus 1 bracket complete into dx. In the next step, हे split up करणार आपण, that is equals to integral. What is integral? X upon x into x minus 1 bracket complete minus x minus 1 upon x into x minus 1 bracket complete into dx. and that's equals to integral in bracket. This x get cancel and you are getting 1 upon x minus 1. What about second? X minus 1 and x minus 1 get cancelled. You are getting 1 upon x bracket complete into dx. Now the integral of this, it is in the log form. Integral of 1 upon ax plus b त्या form मध्ये, and therefore the integral of this is log of mod of x minus 1 minus log of mod of x and plus c. Okay. Now the next, you can write it also like this, as there is a minus sign in between them. Then by using the rules of logarithm, you can write I is equals to log of mod of log of m minus log of n means what? Log of m upon n, log of mod of x minus 1 upon x plus c. Okay, and this is the answer. Therefore, I will write here I is equals to log of mod of x minus 1 upon x mod complete, and this is the plus c. Okay, now answer. Important क्या है कि plus x minus x adjustment करना, x upon this whole quantity, take minus sign common, then in bracket you will get x minus 1, that cancel it, you will get 1 upon x. Integral of this is in the log form. Use the rules of log. What is that? The rules of logarithm is that log of m minus log of n is equals to log of m upon n. This is the rule. Okay. I will take the next example. Now the next example, if f dash of x is equals to x square plus 5, f of 0 is minus 1, then find the value of f of x. That is, we know that this f of x, okay, f of x is equals to integral of f dash of x, okay, into dx, and therefore integral of, what is f dash of x? It is a x square plus 5 bracket complete into dx. Its integral is a x raised to 3 upon 3 plus 5x plus c. Okay, and therefore f of x is equals to x cube upon 3 plus 5x plus c. Next, the value of f of 0. What is f of 0? That is, replace x by 0. मग x च्या जागी काय टाकणार तर 0. 0 upon 3, that will become 0, plus 5 into 0 plus c, and the value of f of 0 is minus 1. Means what? Here 0, this will be the 0. It implies that c is equals to minus 1. Okay, the value of c is minus 1, and hence, what about the function? And therefore we want to find out the f of x. Hence the f of x, I will write here, f of x is equals to x cube upon 3 plus 5x, and the value of c is the minus 1. Okay, that is x cube upon 3 plus 5x minus 1. This is the f of x and hence the answer. Okay. काय करतो यासाठी आपण? What is the f dash of x? X square plus 5. F of 0 is minus 1. We want to find out the f of x. Means we want to find out the integral of f dash of x, nothing but the f of x. Find out the integral of x square plus 5, which is the x cube upon 3 plus 5x plus c. We know the value of f of 0. F of 0 is minus 1. Replace x by 0 and hence you will get c is equals to minus 1. Okay. Substitute the value of c here and you are getting this function. Okay. Now the next problem. Now the next problem is if f dash of x is equals to 4x cube minus 3x square plus 2x plus k, f of 0 is 1, f of 1 is 4. Find f of x. Okay. Now again f of x is equals to, okay, f of x is equals to integral f dash of x, okay, into dx. Okay. Now find out the integral of f dash of x. Okay. Therefore, what is the function? 4x cube minus 3x square plus 2x plus k bracket complete into dx. And therefore, f of x is equals to 4x cube. Its integral is a 4x cube, 4x raised to 3 plus 1 and that will become its integral is a raised to 4 upon 4 minus, minus sign 3x square means what? 3 x raised to 3 upon 3 minus 3x raised to 3 upon 3 plus 2x, its integral is a 2x square upon 2 plus kx plus c. Okay, and this is the function. Next, we'll find out the value of f of 0 first of all. What is f of 0? Means what? X is replaced by 0. Here, first you will get 0, minus 0. Again, if it replaces x by 0. Next, k into, again x is a 0, k0 plus c. Okay. And f of 0, we have given the value. f of 0 ची value किती आहे? तर 1 आहे. Okay. हे सर्व 0 होणार. हा 0 होणार. It means that you will get the value of c is 1. This is important. The value of c is 1. Okay. Next, f of 1 is 4. Okay. Now see this, the function here. The f of 1 means what? Again, replace this x by 1. आपल्याला f of 1 ची पण value दिली. It is 4. Replace this x by 1. Therefore, I will write here f of 1 is equals to this 4 upon 4. That is x raised to 4. Means what? Here 1 raised to 4. Or I will write this function once again. F of x is equals to x raised to 4 minus x cube. 2 get cancelled. You will get x square plus kx plus c. Okay. Next, the f of 1. X is replaced by 1. Okay. Therefore, f of 1 is equals to 1 raised to 4 minus 1 raised to 3 1 raised to 2, k into 1 plus c. Now we know the value of c. C is 1. And what about the f of 1? F of 1 is 4. Therefore, substitute here 4 is equals to 1 raised to 4 is 1 minus 1 plus 1 plus k. The value of c is 1. Here plus 1. Okay. Now plus 1 and minus 1 get cancelled. Here you are getting 4 is equals to 1 plus 1, that is a 2, which is the k plus 2, and hence k is equals to 4 minus 2, and that is equals to 2. Therefore, k is equals to 2. Okay, the value of k is a 2. K is equals to 2. I will write here once again. K is equals to 2. And this is the answer. Now we want to find out the f of x. Means substitute the value of c. C is 1 and k is 2 in this equation. Okay. And therefore, f of x is equals to x raised to 4, x raised to 4 minus x cube. What about the next? Plus x square plus x square plus kx. The value of k is a 2. That is a 2x. Next, plus c means what? Value of c is 1. Okay. And therefore, the function is f of x is equals to x raised to 4 minus x cube plus x square plus 2x plus 1 in this way. Okay. Now, this is the answer. पुन्हा तुम्ही बघू शकता. पहिलं इंटिग्रेशन काढायचं. Replace x by 0. You are getting the value of c. Again next, for f of 1, its value is a 4. Replace by x by 1 and substitute the value of c also. Then you will get the value of k is equals to 2. Then substitute the value of k and c in this function. Okay. And hence we will get the required function. Okay. I will take the next problem. Similar type of the problem, f dash of x is equals to x square upon 2 minus kx plus 1. F of 0 is 2, f of 3 is 5. Find f of x. Okay. Therefore again, f of x is equals to, okay, integral of f dash of x into dx, and that's equals to integral in bracket x square upon 2 minus kx plus 1 bracket complete into dx. Now the integral of x square upon 2, it is a x cube upon 3 means 2 into 3, 2 dot 2 into 3, okay, minus k x square upon 2 plus x and plus c, and therefore the f of x is equals to, what is that? X cube upon 6 minus k x square upon 2 plus x plus c. Now their values, f of 0 is 2. Replace x by 0. F of 0, x by 0 means what? First this will become 0. Second will become 0. Third will also 0 plus c. But what is f of 0? F of 0 is 2, and hence c is equals to 2. Okay, c is equals to 2. This is the value of c. Next, we'll find out f of 3 is a 5. Okay. Therefore, again, I will substitute the value. f of x, f of x, f of x is equals to x raised to 3 upon 6 minus, okay, k x square upon 2 plus x plus 2. X is replaced by 3, that is a 3 raised to, it is a 3 upon 6 minus k 3 raised to 2, 3 raised to 2 upon 2 plus 3 and plus 2. Okay, 3 raised to 3 means what? 27, okay, upon 6 minus 9k upon 3 plus 2, it's a 5. But what is f of 3? The value of f of 3 is 5. F of 3 is 5. Now on both sides, this 5 get cancelled, and hence 9k upon 2 is equals to 27 upon 6. आता ही simplify करना. Therefore here you will get k is equals to 27 upon 6 into 2 upon 9. Okay, now their division. 9 ones are 9 threes are 27, 3 ones are, sorry, 2 ones are 1, 2 threes are 6. 3 get cancelled, and hence you are getting the value of k is equals to 1. The value of k is 1, and hence the function. Okay, what is that? F of x is equals to x cube upon 6, x cube upon 6 minus the value of k is 1, therefore it is only x square upon 2. Next is a x, keep it x as it is, and the value of c, it is a, and in this way we have x raised to 3 upon 6, x square upon 2 plus x plus 2, and this is the required function. Okay, now the answer, and in this way we have completed the first exercise. Now we'll see in the next video. Till then, goodbye.